Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Scorpio placements. This is your general and love reading this October. Okay, so the person on your mind, o yung ating titingnan sa love read. Pero syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading and sa ating mga charm, so yes, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. So, ito yung ating pang-alis ng alat, pang-alis ng MALAS. Ito naman is good for love and money with citrine stone po. Ha, yung itong ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. And ito yung ating granter necklace, yung taga-grant po ng inyong mga minamanifest and tagapagbigay ng surprises at least twice per week. Okay, and syempre meron po tayo mga protection from evil eye. Okay, so yes, available ang ring, necklace, and bracelets ng mga evil eye protection, and yung pong ating mga pang-cleanse, ang ating tawag ito, recharge ng inyong mga charms is available rin. Okay? So, Scorpio, so, in general, what's for you ngayong October? Anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman this October, Scorpio? Anong kailangan mong malaman, Scorpio? Two of Cups. So, partnership, offers, pwedeng dumating ngayong October. Okay. This is talking about your stability. About your stability. Okay, so hindi lang iisang offer ang darating ngayong October para sa'yo. Yeah. May chance na iba dito is pwedeng magre-resign para kunin yung mas maganda na offer sa work. Could be. Okay? Status is going up for some of you. Yeah, may mga aalisan dito yung iba. Eight of Wands. Ngayon natin, ano pa? For Scorpio. Okay, the 7 of Pentacles. Okay, so that's investing. Mayroon ditong palalim na connection. Yeah. Ano tong 7 of Pentacles? Let's see. What's with this 7 of Pentacles? The King of Cups. The Wheel of Fortune. I'm hearing wag masyado. Okay, wag masyado pagdating po sa pag-i-invest, lalo na sa emosyon. Why? Why the King of Cups Universe? This is having or putting self-boundaries pagdating po sa mga sarili nyo. Okay, the King of Cups Universe. Yeah, the Hermit. Okay, so this is sabihin nating mga lesson na pwedeng matutunan pa. Yeah, putting boundaries. The Two of Swords. Okay, just play it cool. Yeah, mga ganyang bagay. Meron nagtatago ng totoong emosyon. Could be an earth sign, Virgo, Pisces. Expecting. May mga nag-expect dito. I'm hearing cloudy judgment. For some of you, I don't know why. What else for Scorpio this October? Again, the Wheel of Fortune. So, yung mga hinihintay ninyo, in general, this October, may chance po na makuha. May chance na dumating. May chance na mangyari na this October. Kung ano man po yan, in general, I don't know. Kanya-kanya yan, pero yeah, just claim it. Okay, kung ano man yun, kung ano man hinihintay ninyo, could be relationship or money, mga ganyang bagay, it's coming in. Okay, the Wheel of Fortune. The Four of Cups. Okay. I'm hearing somebody is overthinking. Somebody is overthinking. So, I think china-challenge ka ni universe. Okay? You need to heal something. Okay, yeah. You're stuck. Kung sino man yung kakonect mo ngayon, sabihin nating they're a green flag, pero ang tingin mo sa kanila, it's a red. Some of you have to heal something from your past. Okay? Kasi you're still stuck. Kung ano man yun, I don't know. Okay? So, parang aanuhin ka ng aanuhin ni universe. Sabihin natin parang bibigyan ka ng bibigyan ng mga isipin. Tinitingnan niya kasi kung talagang totally healed ka na or what. I don't know, may chance na i-level up nila yung situation ninyo. Mga ganyang bagay. Kung malagpasan mo, then great. Okay? Pero if not, then sabihin natin hindi mo pa rin may heal yung sarili mo. And stuck ka pa rin. So, kung anong meron, hindi magkakaroon ng leveling up pagdating sa connection, if ever. So, yeah. See? Nalaglag. The Ten of Swords. That's healing. Something needs to end. So, tayo tumungo. Okay? Yeah, mabilis ang read lang. Tayo tumungo sa iyong person. Okay, the person on your mind. So, again, sa mga nagtatanong about private reading and sa ating mga charms, yung pangtanggal MALAS, yung ating 2-in-1 love and money, yung ating granter necklace. So, malalaman nyo lang yung info kung kayo ay magme-message. Hindi po comment. Okay? Message po para maiwasan na rin yung scam. Maiwasan na iba yung magme-message sa inyo or I mean, magre-reply sa comment section. Ang daming nagaya ng ating page. Sa totoo lang. So, who is this person? Scorpio. The person on your mind. Who is this? The person on your mind, okay. The one who walk away. The one who walk away. Pwedeng may distansya sa inyo ngayon. Pwedeng inalisan mo. Somebody from your past, I think. Scorpio. What's with that 8 of Cups? 8-8. Number 8 could be significant. Okay. So, ang nakuha ko dito, parang dalawa. Okay, isa sa past and isa sa current. Pero mas matimbang yung current. Meron lang talaga something from the past na talagang attached ka pa rin, I think. Pero yeah, focus is the current. It's like papunta dito. Okay? Current person, pwedeng consistent ka, consistent kayo nitong taong to. The 8 of Pentacles. There's consistency. Some of them, they're hard worker. They're hard worker. Masipag. So, ano kailangan mong malaman, Scorpio? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Okay. The Queen of Swords inversed. And the Ten of Wands. Na itong connection na to, or itong taong to, is hindi ganun kadali. Okay? Hindi ganun kadali, yeah. Ten of Pentacles inverse, the Devil. Hindi ganun kadali. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Okay? Marami kayong pagsubok na pwedeng pagdaanan nitong taong to. Sa totoo lang. Okay? The Hierophant is here in reversed. The Nine of Wands in reversed. So, kung ano man ang issue dito, sa tingin ko, dapat po ay talagang pinagfo-focusan or pinag-uusapan or sinusolusyonan. Okay? Meron pong mga issue dito. May mga issue. Could be commitments. Okay? Infidelity for some of you because of the Queen of Wands in reverse. That's infidelity. Something is wrong. Or maybe the situation itself ang hindi parang tumutugma sa sitwasyon nyo sa ngayon. Okay? It's like maraming blockages, hindrance, parang ganyan. So, let's see what is their emotions for you. Emotion. Current emotion ng taong to sa'yo, Scorpio. Current emotion. Days of Pentacles. This is serious, actually. They're serious. The Ace of Pentacles. And the King of Cups in reverse. Yeah, they're serious. Pero hindi sila totally open or soft pagdating sa emosyon. Alam nila kung ano yung dapat. Alam nila kung ano yung tama. Kung anong... Andun yung energy na parang hindi sila like parang tatalon sa bangin una ulo. Okay? Tatalon man sila may tali. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah, they're serious. Seryoso sa'yo. Pero the King of Cups is here in reversed. Meaning to say, alam niyang magtira para sa sarili. Hindi sila all in, all out pagdating sa'yo. Okay? The Queen of Wands. Yeah, they know kung anong kailangan. Kung kailangan niyang mag-step back, gagawin niya yan. Meron siyang kakayanan kung kailangan niyang umintindi, meron siyang kakayanan kung kailangan niyang lumayo. Okay? Hindi to para magmakaawa. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, what's their next action? Pagdating sa connection ninyo. The Two of Swords in reverse. This is decisions, being open. Okay? Pag-intindi. The Empress in reverse. Parang no time for no time for BS. Itong taong to. Kung alam niya na dapat intindihin yung isang sitwasyon, iintindihin ito. Okay? Hindi siya para pahabain pa yung mga issue. Hindi siya ganun. Okay? Yeah. See? Death. Marunong. Itong taong to, sa totoo lang. They're a busy person. I think. They're a busy person. Yeah. Kung babae to, Scorpio, they're a busy person. Hindi sila yung parang soft, talaga like feminine. Okay? Kaya nitong mabuhay kahit walang partner. May ganun siya na side. Okay? Kung ito ay lalaki, ganun din siya. Marunong siya mag-balance eh. Yeah, marunong siya mag-balance eh. So, siguro marami nang napagdaanan to. Hindi na siya ganun ka-naive, I think. Pagdating sa makikipag-connect. It's like the present moment, yun yung importante pagdating sa kanya. Yeah, the present moment. So, what's the outcome? This October. What's the outcome? Okay, communication. So, may chance na there's movement. Okay? There's movement, hindi stagnant yung energy. Yeah, and the Page of Pentacles. May chance to na talagang mag-grow. See? The Ace of Cups. May chance na mag-grow to. So, totoo lang. Kung kayo magkakaintindihan, marunong magbigayan, parang ganyan. Okay, so kung may mga kailangang issue na talagang kailangang gawa ng paraan, ayusin, gagawin. Parang ganyan. Hindi, yeah, this is fairness. Okay? Hindi ito, tawag dyan, hindi ito yung pagpilit. Kung ano ibigay yun. Parang ganun eh. Yung nakukuha ko sa person mo. Okay? Green flag yung person actually. They're green flag. Yeah. Hindi ko lang malaman yung iba dito may may mga infidelity energy. Or sabihin natin the situation lang siguro ang hindi nakikisama or nakikibagay. Okay, anyway. So, let's go to all signs. Aries through Pisces. All signs. All signs. 888. You have angel number 888. Okay. Nakita natin sa spread kanina. Si 8 of Cups, si 8 of Pentacles, and si 8 of Wands. Di po ba? So, 888, angel number 888. Ang ganda nun. Lalo na pagdating sa pamemera. That's like lucky. Okay? So, all signs, Scorpio. Aries, oh, you're parang unfulfilled wish. Taurus, they're looking for you. They're sad. Longing. Gemini, parang may nakat pagdating kay Gemini, or maybe you have to cut this person, this Gemini. Okay, so Cancerian, they dropped you. Okay, Leo, they're moving forward. Virgo, oh, there could be third party involved. There's separation. Kung may separation, they're looking for you. Okay. Libra, ayaw nila ng pakikipag-ayos, ng pakikipagbalikan. Scorpio, they need you. Yeah, they need you. So, Sagittarius, they're sad. They are sad, pero they're like moving forward. It's like accepting the fate. Parang ganun. So Capricorn, sometimes they long for you. Yeah. Aquarius, there could be sex-based, lust, attachments. So Pisces, pwedeng may gustong i-offer pero hindi may offer. Yeah, maybe they want this. Some of them may mga kailangan gawin pagdating sa connection. Pero I don't know kung magagawa nila. Pero I think they still feel the connection. Okay? So there, yun ang aking reading for you. Ay, o nga pala, yung ating, ang tawag dyan? Ang tawag dito, yung ating charm reading. Medyo sumasakit na yung ulo ko. Oo, because of my cervical vertigo. O, diba? Yeah. Cervical vertigo. Okay, for Scorpio. Okay, Scorpio placements. Scorpio. What else? It's up to you kung paano nyo po tawag dyan, i-connect yung sarili nyo. Sandali lang po ha. Okay. Oo, para maibsan. Oo, yung ating hilo. O, diba? We have here letter K. Libra. A Libra. Shell. A leaf. Ano to? Ba't blue? Hindi ko alam kung paano nyo i-connect sa sarili nyo yan. Or meron ba kayong alam na ganun? So, a rocking horse. Red. Rocking horse. A cat. G clef. Maybe this is music. A note. Sun. Made with a smile. Nakalagay sa likod. A heart. Another heart. A cloud. Smiling cloud. O, diba? Ang cute. And a potion. Maybe some of you could be making potions, rituals, mga ganyang bagay-bagay. Unusual things, unusual stuff. Anyway, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Scorpio placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung atin pong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.